Welcome to today's tutorial on moving tables in Google Docs. Whether you're reorganizing your content or adjusting the layout, knowing how to relocate tables is crucial. Let's get started. 1. Select the entire table, click and drag your cursor over all the cells within the table, ensure that the entire table is highlighted in blue. 2. Drag and drop method, click on the selected table, use your cursor to drag the table to its new location within the document, release the mouse button to place the table in its new spot. 3. Undo if needed, if you encounter any issues while moving the table, select the undo button in the toolbar to revert the change. 4. Modify alignment. Optional. Right-click anywhere within the table, choose Table Properties from the shortcut menu. In the Alignment section, pick Left, Center, or Right alignment. Adjust the table's position as desired. Congratulations! You've learned how to move tables in Google Docs. Keep organizing your content efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.